guys, welcome back to the channel. I'll tell you what, Mother's Day is almost here, and I wanted to come in here and talk to you about a recent item that I received. That's the Nakano knife. That's their kitchen knife. The Santoku. I'm probably saying that wrong. It's Japanese knives. That's the style of knife. But I'll tell you what, guys, I've been using this for about a week or so, and I tell you what, I've got an opinion of it now, and I just wanted to take now and bring you that opinion. So let me show you the knife a little closer and show you what I seen when I first got it. That's basically how the knife come to me. There was some extra packaging and everything, but I tell you what, it's a beautiful knife. This is the wooden series. They got a whole line of beautiful different kitchen knives, guys, and I encourage you to go look at them, especially with Mother's Day. I got a promo code down below. It'll get you 20% off, and I actually went in and I didn't do a full purchase, but I plugged in a promo code and it does work. 20% is what you get off on this, guys. But this is a beautiful knife, and here's how it comes. You can see it's got the, I don't know if I can get the lighting here, the Nakano name on it. It's got some Japanese text on this side here because it is a Japanese knife. I'm assuming that says Nakano knives. I don't really know. I'm gonna take their word for it. But it's just a good knife. It's not a heavy knife at all. It feels really good in the hand. And I tell you what, it cuts like butter, but I'll talk more about that later. What also comes, other than the packaging that I honestly just tossed, this is a little guide here, how to take care of it, what the do's and don't do's, and like don't wash this in a dishwasher. You definitely don't want to do that. Hand wash it, dry it immediately after use. But I tell you what, the performance is really good. It's lightweight. I don't know the gauge, I don't know the thickness of that, or I don't know the thickness of that, but I tell you what, it's a pretty stout, pretty sturdy knife, and I've been very happy with it so far. Alright, I've been using this knife on and off camera. It's razor sharp. I don't know if I mentioned that. It's still razor sharp. I've had no issues with it going through anything I cut with it. But I've used it on and off camera, and what have I done? I did my introduction of this knife on that pork porterhouse. And I tell you what, it went through that like butter. I was prepping for a drink cook, so I cut up some limes and I cut up some oranges, I believe. And they cut like butter as well. Let's see, pork tender or the pork loin. I did that. That was a big chunk of meat. I wanted to really test it on that. It did a great job on that. And finally, and most recently, I don't think you've seen that video yet, I did some steaks, some chuck-eye steaks on that. So yeah, I've been very happy with the knife, guys, and thank you Nakano Knives for sending it to me. Thank you for trusting me. The only thing they told me is they wanted me to show you the knife, and I hope I've done that. And you'll be seeing more of it, I promise you. And there's some other knives in there I've got my eye on, I'll be quite honest with you. So be sure and check out their webpage. I have a link below, guys. It's not just this wooden series knife. They got a whole line of knives, beautiful knives that I believe you will really like. With Mother's Day coming up this weekend, y'all check them out. Use the promo code, I believe it's KR, mostly in outdoors. I'll have a link to it down below just for your use. So guys, thank you Nakano Knives for trusting me with the video, trust me with the knife. And guys, till next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.